How to convert a PNG to vector in Photoshop. Hey everyone, in today's tutorial I'll show you how to convert a PNG image to a vector format using Photoshop. Let's get started. First, launch Adobe Photoshop on your computer and click File and open the PNG file you want to convert. Click Open to load your image. Once your PNG file is open, you need to select the area you want to convert. You can use the Magic Wand tool or the Quick Selection tool, from the toolbar on the left. Click and drag to select the parts of the image you want to vectorize. With your selection active, go to the Paths panel. If you don't see it, go to Window in the top menu and select Paths. In the Paths panel, click on the Make Work Path from Selection button at the bottom, and this will create a new path based on your selection. You can adjust the path using the Direct Selection tool, which is the white arrow if needed. Click and drag the anchor points to refine the shape of your vector. To export your vector, go to File, select Export, choose Export As, and choose SVG as the format from the drop-down menu. Name your file and choose the location where you want to save it and click Export. In the SVG options dialog, you can adjust settings as needed, but the default settings are usually fine, so click OK to finalize the export. And that's it, you've successfully converted a PNG image to a vector format in Photoshop. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.